IVM.
This IPL season, you stand a chance to win some epic prizes during the Cred Mega Jackpot Week from 27th April to 3rd May. You could win prizes like 3 whole years of free flights or a Tata Safari car and lots more. Just pay your credit card bills on the Cred app. Crazy jackpot prizes unveiled every day and crazy offers by partner brands on specific days. So don't miss out. Just download Cred. Hello and welcome to the Habit Coach Podcast, the bite-sized podcast filled with quick and easy actionable habits. Remember, great habits create that awesome life. I am Ashton Doctor, your habit coach. And today's fun fact of the day has to do with fire. Did you know that the Earth is the only planet in our solar system that can burn fire? And this is because none of the other planets have just that much of oxygen in the atmosphere to sustain a fire. Just think about that for a moment. That means that all the Martians would have never known fire. Imagine what our life would have been like without fire. We would not have survived beyond a point because we would not have been able to cook food. Now, all the little things we take for granted are only possible because fire needs oxygen to exist. It's easy for us to forget the destructive power of fire as well. Fire has been used for centuries to strike fear into the hearts of men, burning witches alive, burning down towns and villages. Fire has the ability to cause panic. Our brains shut down when fire is uncontrolled. If our clothes catch fire, the standard response is to scream and run around, or try and pull off our clothes that are in the fire in that panic. And we end up causing more damage to ourselves because we are just panicking. The fire spreads over our bodies. We might also transfer the fire onto the curtains or other things at home, all the while giving the fire all the oxygen it needs to survive and grow. Instead, there's a simple procedure called stop, drop, and roll. The idea is to stop what you're doing. Stop running around. Then drop to the floor with your arms and legs stretched out. Lie down flat on the floor, or you can protect your face at this point. The final stage is to roll. Rolling backwards and forwards each time the flames will be deprived of oxygen as they come into contact with the ground. You're basically smothering the fire off. Keep rolling till all the fire is extinguished. And this technique is very effective on almost all clothing and floors. But what we don't realize is that the panic would have killed us. But following this simple procedure can save us. In a similar way, in our lives, when things are not going to plan, when everything seems to be on fire around us, when the world feels like it's collapsing and there's a panic all around, what we do is run around trying to fix things, not realizing that we are often causing more damage as we wave our hands around. However, when things seem this out of control and panic sets in, remember, stop, drop, and roll. Stop what you're doing. Just running around will be of no use. Panic will be of no use. Your mind needs calm and peace to figure out what to do next. Then drop everything you're trying to desperately control. Drop everything that is outside your control. There's no point to hold on to it. Let go of all the bad news you might be getting. Finally, start rolling. Rolling means practicing self-care. All the fires that are around us, all the fires that are raging in our minds need to be exhausted. Self-care is the most important step here. Because without it, there is no way that we will survive. We will be burnt alive from the inside out. Rolling can look like writing in your journal. Rolling can look like talking to your therapist, or having a heart-to-heart with a friend, or sitting in bed and not talking to anyone at all. Whatever self-care looks like for you. You need to learn this procedure because we often just live our lives in a state of panic. And when you learn to stop, drop, and roll, you can handle situations in a calm and composed manner. There is no need to panic and worry. So your simple habit starts by observing when you're about to panic and there is turmoil around you. Then the habit of stop, drop, and roll can begin. Stop what you're doing, drop what you can't control, and roll around in your self-care practice. This technique has helped me multiple times in my life. Not with the real fires, thankfully, but with the metaphorical fires in life. So start these habits and share with us your progress using the hashtag #TheHabitCoach. If you like this podcast, don't forget to check out other interesting podcasts on the IVM network. You can listen to us on the IVM Podcast app or ivmpodcast.com. You can also follow us on social media. We are at IVM Podcasts on Twitter and Instagram. If you want to reach out to me, I am Ashtin Doc on Twitter and Instagram. You can find lots more information on my website, awesome180.com, or check out different content on my YouTube channel called AWESOME 180. That's Awesome 180.
I hope you enjoyed that show. If you aren't following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. We'd like to thank the sponsors on the network this week, thewholetruthfoods.com, Seat, PayPal, and Cred. We thank you all for your support. Tune into The Note, where Maruk Inayat talks to Dr. Bipin Joshi about the second wave of COVID. He calls it no less than World War III. On The Habit Coach, Ashton was joined by Yoshita Dave, who's a sex educator and intimacy coach. On Paisa Vaisa, Anupam Gupta was joined by Amit Thakkar and Hiral Jain of Market Pulse Technologies, and they talked about trading in Indian markets. All Things Policy by the Takshashila Institute had on board Mihir Mahajan and Pranay Kotastane to talk about the recent changes in the Indian intellectual property front. You should definitely check out the Cyrus Says episode with Ace casting director Mukesh Chabra. They discussed some of his best work. We also had Ira Mukhoti, who has authored various books on history and mythology from a female gaze. The IPL season's in full swing, and we have Edges and Sledges in English and Khel Niti in Hindi if you want to check out cricket content. Really, really great conversations on both of those shows. Do check those out. And with that, I hope to see you again next week.
Namaskar, dear friends. My name is Ashish Vidyarthi. Life, as you know, is a journey. And you and I, travelers, how can we celebrate this travel? I have a podcast for you, Begin the Journey. I share stories and moments from my life. Do tune in every Monday and Thursday to listen to my podcast on the IVM Podcast website, app, or wherever you get your podcast from. Cheers.